It's nice, right?
Yeah. Are you sure this is the right address?
Yeah. 325.
Hello?
Hello? Guess he's not here.
Yeah.
I'm a musical realtor, and I'm here to show you the house. You're a very beautiful couple. Nice haircut, nice blouse. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and the pool looks really good. Check out this gorgeous view in this beautiful neighborhood. You want some coffee? Snack?
No.
Salad? Heart attack?
No.
You have kids?
No.
Are you married?
No.
Commitment can be scary.
Yeah.
This is perfect for a couple. So come on, I'll give you the tour. You have any questions? My name's Marty. I'll answer all of them for sure.
Could we see the living room?
If you want to see this house, then I'm afraid you're gonna have to sing. Come on, let's hear those voices ring. Music is the only real language I know how to speak. So join me with the melody. We're not gonna sing. That doesn't sound like music, that sounds like crap.
What?
Come on, let's sing together, it's not a trap. We're not singing. Can we just... Can we please just see the living room?
We have somewhere we have to be.
Now we're talking.
Right?
We have that thing that
starts at 3.
Follow me into the living room, I think it's pretty sweet. There's 2 couches and a big TV.
I like the floor arrangement.
Yeah, the furniture looks good to me.
I hate the furniture.
You do?
Agree to disagree. You will love this room, I guarantee.
I think I like it.
Yeah, me too.
There's so much more to see. Sometimes we need a little break. So come outside for a tropical escape. Here we go. So welcome to the poolside. It's a pool party paradise. So welcome to the cool side. I promise that it's worth the price. Kind of.
Is someone gonna clean the pool?
Of course, say hello to my cousin Raul. Hola. Cool. Isn't this kitchen nice?
Yeah.
It's a nice kitchen.
Isn't this kitchen grand?
Yes.
I would just like that.
Isn't this kitchen sweet?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Check out the fridge.
Yeah, it's so freaking big. That's what she said.
New oven?
Check.
Dishwasher?
Check.
Nice cabinets?
Check.
Microwave?
Check.
Toaster?
No. Let me show you the bedroom. The master bedroom is the most important room in this place. It's really big. That's what she said.
It's a nice rack.
That's what he said. Where's the bathroom? It's right there, just in front of your face. I like the color on the wall. Check out the bed where the magic happens, making sweet, sweet love on your very own mattress. Feeling so very safe in each other's embrace. Unless your kids walk in, then it's awkward.
We don't have kids.
Let's change that in the
Master bedroom is the most romantic room in the house.
I'm feeling dizzy.
Really dizzy.
All right, guys, what do we think?
We love
I think
it.
we're gonna make an offer.
Yeah, we'll take it. You can't, actually.
What?
What?
It just sold. Sorry.
Is that for real?
Yeah, get out of my house, please.
Such a waste of time. What? Oh, is this
Thanks.
for real?
Sorry, guys. Bye. Adios.